Hello friends, welcome to Trending Tube. My name is Biswa, and in this video I will be showing you how to install batteries in the Ikea milk frother. So I do see a lot of comments on the way how do we install batteries to this milk frother. So many of my subscribers, and I do see many of the videos are also most of the videos are related to the battery installation. I could not see any of the videos. They clearly explain it, because many of the customers do return the product because they don't know how to install the batteries on milk frother. It was really difficult for any one of us, whoever purchases this particular product, to install, because even I also faced the same challenges earlier, and then I was also planning to return it, but anyhow I figured out how to install it. So I think that this video will be helpful for you on installing batteries to the milk frother. So we need two AA size battery. So this is AA size, right? So yeah, so this particular thing will open completely, and then we just need to see yeah. So let me show you how to install it. So I do have two AA size battery, which is basically from Duracell. Let me first insert one. So first of all, you need to insert, this is plus and the other side is a minus. So the plus side should be pointing towards up. So see, the first one I just entered, I just put it inside. So the plus should be pointing towards up, and the second one minus should be pointing towards up. Okay, that is the main difference. If we try to put this particular inside it, and then it will not fit into, because you are able to see, right? I am not able to put it inside as well. So the minus should be on top. See, I am able to put it inside, right? So that is the main concern. So just make sure that this side plus should be on top, and the other side minus should be on top. So let me put it again. So you are able to see this side plus is on top, and let me put it inside completely. So you need to fit it inside it, otherwise it will not, the other battery will not fit into. So just put this one as well in the opposite direction, and then you need to press it and then pull it and then lock it. So let me pull it in and then lock it, and then you will be able to see this works properly. I guess you are able to see it is working fine. And I will definitely, and there are two different types of mode here. Again, if you need a high speed, then you need to put it, you need to pull the handle again further. Okay, so the purchase link of this product will be there in the description section. Again, the purchase link of the batteries will also, I will put that. I will definitely recommend you to use a rechargeable batteries, because this product will definitely drain much of your energy of the battery. So definitely go ahead with some rechargeable batteries, and my suggestion will be to use the Duracell battery itself. And I'll put the purchase link of these both the products in the description section. Do click on those links to purchase it, and then I hope you will be getting some additional discount as well. Yeah, so I hope you have you learned how to install the batteries, and this video would be helpful for you. And thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. Take care.